Hey guys, it's me Aditya Rapsan and welcome back to my channel in Codecraft. So in today's video, we're gonna know how can we create a React and Tailwind CSS project with using Vite. So first of all, we need to go our command plate. So first of all, we gonna go our OneDrive. So for that, we're gonna write cd.1, then click tab and enter. That's go on OneDrive. Then we're gonna go on desktop. After that, if you can create a file in there, but I am creating in the next of my React folder, so I'm gonna go there. So then let's go to our browser and search for Vite, and then we're gonna clicking that. Then we're gonna guide and scroll down. Then you have a link and npm. Remember, you need node.js and npm configuration in your VS Code. Then the link, paste the link. Okay, then what's your project name would be. I'm first giving just a demo. For that, I'm gonna give React practice. Then we're gonna selecting React, then JavaScript. As you can see in there, we have 3 lines. So copy the first one, then copy the second one, which is npm I, means install. So let's give to install, and we should move to our Tailwind documentation of their website. So let's go there. First of all, we're gonna go in the first link. Okay, it may take time for my internet speed, whatever. Let's go into docs, and then we should go in frame guide. Then we have Vite. Okay, first of all, we completed. So as you can see, this one is also completed. We don't need to run the third one, we need it in the last. So open the folder. As you can see, we have we got the folder just created. So just select the folder. As you can see, we have React configuration there. So now in our terminal, we just need to configure Tailwind CSS. So copy this line. First of all, copy this line and paste it, then give enter, and then copy the second one. Okay, it may take time as the first time if you are doing. Okay, so after completing that, I am gonna paste the second line. Then what is called in tailwind.config.js, we should give the content. So we will copy the content. Okay, let's go in tailwind.config.js, then paste remove that content, before content, and paste our what we copied. Okay, then let's see what they called us to next. Also in index.css, we have to paste these 3 lines of code. So it's in the source directory and the index.css. So let's remove these lines, and remember, if you didn't download post.css, post.css are so then you will have an error on this template configuration on there. Okay, like a wave error. So download this. And the lastly thing what they say as, then we should run the third command that give in our cmd npm run dev. Remember, don't miss it. Okay, then we have our local host. Okay, then just copy the line to see the output of. Yes, I'm gonna deleting not everything, the first this thing, because we don't need these, and there's also things. Okay, just paste the code what Tailwind documentation gave us. Okay, I'm gonna pasting. Then click control and click the left in your mouse. Then we have our live server as your default browser. So let's try to send something. I'm gonna use a busy rate to 500. As you can see, it's giving a busy rate and text to. That's how you can you can create project with Vite. So thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Meeting with you in the next video. Thank you.